Yes, we came to a draw. The Russian internet is, as of today, defenseless. It's not defended against hacker attacks, as we've seen over the past weeks. Could you comment on what the state is doing to fight hackers in Russia, to find them, persecute them, like all other criminals should be persecuted?
The first question you asked was very important. If you don't mind, I'll answer it later. Now, about the Internet, recently I had a meeting with some people from the Internet community, some bloggers, and some captains of the Internet industry. And what I'd like to say is, this is a new area, and there are a lot of problems, including even the diagnostics of what is happening, who is to blame and what happened, and how can we prevent hacker attacks, including DDoS attacks that you're probably referring to. And the problem is there is no effective answer to this question in the world. But law enforcement agencies should have technical and legal means to find out who is behind those attacks and prosecute them. So we have agreed that members of the Internet community will have a meeting with the Internal Affairs Ministry and FSB chiefs and discuss methods and means that we could use. This would be right and fair, and I hope the meeting will soon take place. And I remind